Good evening. My name is Kiran Agmade and today's date is 9 August 2022 and today's video topic is exception handling in Java. So discuss about exception handling. In exception handling, exception means it is an unwanted situation to the occurs in the during execution of program. Means that we cannot expect that situation, but that situation occurs in the program. So firstly discuss about how is that exception come. In a exceptions handling, uh, there are hierarchy of exception handling is firstly uh, object class. In a object class, it extends to the throwable. Throwable extends to the object, and exception class extends to that throwable class. And in that throwable class, there is two classes. First one is exception, and second one is errors. Errors means that is to a program mistake. And in exception, there are many types of exceptions in exception handling, and mainly two types: runtime exception and compile time exception. There is also called as a checked exception and unchecked exception. Runtime exceptions means a checked exception, and compile time exceptions means a unchecked exception. In a exception handling, there are two types of exceptions: IO exceptions, array index of bound exception, string index of exception, then arithmetic exception. There is some exception. So discuss about how this exception occurs. In a if in a programming, divide by zero is not allowed, but you put the operation. Suppose 5 int a is equal to 5 divided by 0, then it is occurs the exception. It is the mathematics divide by 0 exception, because in a Java divide by 0 is not no, not executed. And to handle that exception, we can use the try block and catch block. So discuss about try and catch block. If in a try block, you can write that some code that is you think that code occurs in some error, that code write in a try block, and if that error occurs, then that error catch the exception and throw that error in a catch. And if you give the instruction in a catch block, that catch block suppose you give the system.out.println divide the number cannot divided by 0, that that time that execute that exception and execute another exception. Do not another code. Do not terminate that code. That is all about exception handling. Thank you.